Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about hour, minute and second functions in Microsoft Excel 2013. The hour, minute and second functions on the date and time command buttons drop down menu enable you to extract specific parts of a time value in the spreadsheet. Each of these three time functions takes a single serial number argument that contains the hour, minute, or second that you want to extract. So, for example, if cell B5 contains the time, if cell B5 contains the time 1:30:10 p.m. and you enter the following hour function and you enter the following hour function, the following hour functions in cell C5. In cell C5, write function equal hour, then argument B5. Excel returns 13 as the hour to cell. Excel returns 13 as the hour to cell C5. Remind that hours are always written in 24-hour time. Return in 24-hour time. If you then enter the following minute function, if you then enter the following minute function, in cell D5, minute function is equal minute argument B5. Then Excel returns 30 as the number of minutes to cell D5. Finally, if you enter the following second function in cell E5. Second function is equal second argument B5. Then Excel returns 10 as the number of seconds in cell B5. Excel returns 10 as the number of seconds to cell E5. So let's go to the Excel sheet and B5 cell, right here time 1:30 10 p.m. Then function our argument or serial number B5, then enter. So there have no value, so using time on 30 on 0 then right here equal our B5. Okay, our B5 argument, you can see minute is 1, hour is on, and right here minute function equal minute, our serial number is B5 and enter, and this is the time. Excel, this is the minute function, and right here second function, second, and select B5, and you can see 1:30 10, 1 is the hour and 30 is minute and 10 is the second. So this function is working. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.